In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NordVPN for YouTube channel. If you manage or grow a YouTube channel, a VPN can be a powerful research tool. It lets you see what viewers in other countries actually experience, including their homepage recommendations, trending topics, and how your videos appear region by region. We'll follow a simple flow so you can do this quickly and confidently without changing your channel settings. Start by opening the NordVPN app on your computer. Using the desktop app ensures the connection applies system-wide, so every browser and tab follows the same location. Before you proceed, make sure your internet connection is stable and the app is up to date. You don't need to adjust any advanced settings here. The default configuration is reliable for regional research. Inside NordVPN, look to the left side for the globe icon and click it to open the VPN section. You'll see a world map and a list of countries you can connect to. This is your control center for changing your apparent location online. At the top, you'll notice a status indicator showing whether you're connected or disconnected. If it's disconnected right now, that's expected. We're about to choose a location. Pick the country you want to analyze and click it. For example, if you're targeting viewers in the United Kingdom, select that country. NordVPN will begin connecting and after a few seconds, confirm with a connected message. You may also see a small indicator showing your new IP location. A quick tip: choose the country that best matches your audience or the market you're researching. Nearby servers can feel faster, but for this purpose, selecting the exact region you need matters more than raw speed. Now open YouTube and reload the page to refresh your recommendations. If YouTube was already open, a simple refresh prompts it to recognize your new location. You should start seeing suggestions, trending sections, and topics influenced by the country you selected. Keep in mind that YouTube also personalizes results based on watch history and account activity, so results can vary by profile. If you don't notice changes immediately, give it a moment and refresh again. From here, compare regions by repeating the same flow. Switch back to NordVPN, select a different country, wait for the connection to complete, return to YouTube, and refresh. This is a straightforward way to evaluate thumbnails, titles, keywords, and competitors across markets without altering your content or preferences. When you're done, go back to NordVPN and disconnect if you no longer need the regional view. Always follow YouTube's terms and local laws wherever you research. That's the process. Open NordVPN, click the globe, pick a country, then reload YouTube to see region-specific